can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock.
Hey, what's up, man? Oh, hey, dude. Thanks for coming. Here, come have a seat. Okay. So, what'd you call me over for? I just wanted to tell you got a new Nerf gun. Please don't tell me you got the buzzsaw. No, I didn't get the buzzsaw. You'd be a noob if you wanted to get the buzzsaw. I got the Recon! Oh, I'm sorry, man. It's just that gun's a waste of money. You could have got the Stampede, the Mulligan. Heck, you could have got the new Elite Series and the Darts. Oh, I'm sorry, man. I'm just sorry. There's just so many new Nerf guns. You just missed the opportunity for it. You're such a noob. Shut up. Okay. You know, if you like to laugh so much, why don't you laugh at this? Ah! Hey, what's that I have here?
Want to be.
I'm gonna kill that kid. Alright, I should look for a gun. Let's do this. Come on now. I won't hurt you. What? What? Sorry.
Want to be. Want to be.